Hey everybody, Midwest Picker here. I am zoomed out a little bit because I have two big announcements. Joey's so excited his sunglasses fell off his face, he couldn't believe it. Two big ones. One, I hit 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. That's awesome. And number two is this thing right here that's got the garbage bag drape over it. That's all I can afford. I covered it up because that's the second part of the video. So the first part of the video is the fact that I hit 1,000 subs. That's crazy. So before I get started, my name's Dave. Welcome to my channel. I'm a part-time YouTuber. I'm a part-time reseller. I sell on, I don't know, eBay, Craigslist. I did dabble in Etsy and Posh a little bit. Didn't work out so well. I do sell on Mercari. I have this channel. If you want to check out any of my links, just go to MidwestPicker.com. It'll link you to my Instagram, my Facebook page, this channel, but you're already here, all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, this is kind of a long story. I'm going to make it as fast as I can. But Dominic, the primetime treasure hunter, he posted my link for this YouTube channel on his Facebook group, which is well over 18,000 people. And I don't know what I had, 916, something like that. And he said, hey, let's get Dave to 1,000 by the end of the day. Well, by the end of the hour, I had reached 1,000. It was insane. I could not believe it. At the same time, almost the same time, the same day, the artist that I commissioned to make this right here sent me a message saying, hey, your art is ready. So 2 bombs in the same day. I couldn't believe it. Huge day. And that was yesterday, August 11. Today is Wednesday, August 12th. So I want to give a big thank you to the people that helped me grow my channel. It's extremely dangerous to say thank you because you're always going to leave somebody out, and I feel terrible about that. But I just have to acknowledge the people that helped me grow this channel, and if I left you out, I apologize. You know who you are. I thank everybody. If you just watched a video, or if you subscribed and watched a video, or you gave me a shout out on your channel, thank you very much. I appreciate it greatly.
Cut out the jibber jabber. Don't be babbling like a fool. Say what you got to say. That's all. Then shut your dang pie hole.
Okay. So here we go. So first of all, I would like to thank the YouTube content creators that invited me on their channel when they did lives. Live video is a great way to promote your channel, to promote your product, whatever you're promoting. Sometimes you get 4 or 5 subscribers because of it. Sometimes you get a ton. There was one live I did, I got like 40 or 50 subscribers in 1 or 2 days. It was insane. So it seems just like yesterday I was hitting around 760 something, and man, in 1 month I'm at 1,000. So let's get right into it. I want to thank these people for inviting me to their live videos. First and foremost, Dominic, primetime treasure hunter. He invited me to the thrift battle on his live video. Jeremy and George, I don't know, George and Jeremy or Jeremy and George? I think George and Jeremy sounds better. What the Hales YouTube channel, they invited me as a special guest on their Sunday night live auction. Troy, Mountain Man Treasure, he interviewed me on his live video. Courtney from BOLO Buddies, she invited me on her live video where they do BOLOs. I was on there all night, probably 2 hours. Sonny from Las Vegas Thrifts, he interviewed me on his live. Kat the Nurse Flipper, she had me on her live. Scott Dumpster Diver Dad, I've been on his live multiple times. Harry Humstone, I was on his live several times. D Flippin' Particles, I've been on many of her lives. And Dawn 2 Hip Chicks, I was on her premiere lives. So thank you, all of you guys. I hope I didn't leave anybody out. I think those are all the lives I did. Thank you for having me as a guest on your live video. Next is a list of shout outs. These people gave me a shout out either in their YouTube video or on social media somehow. They said, hey, check out Midwest Picker. He's got a great channel. I know I'm leaving people out and I'm sorry, but I have to acknowledge all of these people. Kevin, Commonwealth Picker and Flipper, thank you. Don, the Auction Professor. Anthony, Bluegrass Picker. Tommy Bernard, the Tommy Bernard Show. Captain Jack Scrapper. Calvin, the Kelly Hustle, What It Do. John, Cincinnati Picker. Brian, Mr. Buys a Lot. Roy, RK Treasure Center. Kathy, Just Me Kathy, for pinning me. Kevin at the Thrifting Lounge. Jennifer Hayes for pinning me. Tim from Over the Years. Junk Girl Patty. And these people are old channel viewers. I went back to my old videos and I looked to see people that come to my channel and watch them. A big thank you to you guys for supporting my channel. Storage Slayer, Mimi, Mimi Cat Do 65, that's a mouthful. Mary Perlette, Michigan Pickers. Ivan Webb, Vintage Digs. Greg No Money G. Nomad Harry. Gary, Westside Gary. Michelle Yonker. A&M Hunter. Amber Lanning. And many, many more. Sorry if I didn't mention your name, but you know who you are. Thank you, everybody, YouTube family, for helping me build this channel to what it is today. This is the power of networking. I made a video on that a while back. We all help each other out, whether it's social media or right here on YouTube. I try to give shout outs to people too all the time. And it's just fun to watch people grow, like Kevin, Commonwealth Picker, and Kat, the Nurse Flipper. I knew them when they were, I don't know, 400, 500 subscribers, and look at them now. They just skyrocketed, and they're doing it fantastic. And there are others too. Troy too, I knew him when he was a couple hundred. Now he's growing well over 1,000. So it's really exciting to watch people who produce great content, great production value, and to watch their channels grow. That's really cool. So now let's get into what this is here. You're probably dying to know. There is a phrase in reselling called NFS, not for sale. I'll put it right up here. This item is not for sale. And I want to give a shout out to Dominic, Primetime Treasure Hunter. He is going to be so jealous. His head's going to explode. Doesn't matter, Dominic. There is no price in the world that you're going to get this. And I know you're going to want it, but maybe, you know, if you're nice, I'll send you a picture. You know, I might have to make t-shirts with this image on the front and MidwestPicker.com on the back. I don't know, but this is really cool. So I was flipping through my Facebook feed one day, and in my local town communication page, a local artist posted kind of not really an ad, but an offer to make original artwork. And she listed and showed some of her previous work, and she's really good. She's fantastic. And she said, you know, shoot me a private message if you're interested in some art. And I thought, you know what? This office really needs a touch of class. It needs something cool. I would really like an original painting of my favorite character from my childhood. Let's see if you can guess what this is before I get completely done. I doubt you will, but we'll see. So Mrs. Midwest, her painting is over here now. I had to do some arranging and rearranging. So I contacted the artist and I said, hey, I'm interested in this. And I sent her some photos. I said, could you do this? She said, absolutely, no problem. She quoted me some prices. I asked her about the size of the canvas. We kept getting bigger and bigger. She did a fantastic job. Her name is Shelby, by the way. And when I get more contact information on her, I'll put it down in the descriptions. I'll be editing this video probably a couple days into the future. But she sent me image after image. She sketched it out. She started painting it. I was just so thrilled. I couldn't believe it. So, you want to know who this is? Well, let me give you some more clues. He's not human, if that helps. He's kind of like a philosopher, deals with crystals, is kind of talented at fifth dimensional space-time continuum. Are you getting closer and closer? Well, let's get really close. Think about the 1970s. Getting closer? All right, fine. I'm going to pause the video, and I'm going to take the cover off, and I'm going to show you.
What? That's cool.
Oh my gosh, check that out. I have to cut myself off. Look at that. If you're familiar with Land of the Lost from the 1970s, that is Enoch, my favorite character from my childhood. Check that out. Got little planets. He's got his little crystal necklace. You would not believe, she hardly charged me anything for that. That is like the coolest thing ever. I took some pictures, so I'm going to try to do picture in picture. I just wanted to give you like a little office tour. It is 3 feet by 3 feet. All right, I hope this works. I'm down in the corner here. You can see she put little planets on there. The one on the left, it's got like little twinkling like city lights. Maybe that's Enoch's home planet. I don't know. But she did a fantastic job. Now, this isn't like a photograph. This is, you know, an artist's rendition. And artists have the right of freedom, you know, artistic expression and freedom of expression. I think she did a great job of reproducing this image in her own way. It's got stars. You can't see it real well in the picture, but his orange vest kind of like sparkles. There's little sparkles in his eyes. I just think she did a fantastic job. And Joey over here was telling me that he gets really depressed at night when the lights are off. He has nobody to talk to. I thought, you know what? Enoch would be perfect as a counselor to talk to Joey when nobody's around. You know, they have privacy at night, and they can speak to each other back and forth. So I think Enoch makes a great addition to the eBay office. Running out of room, I have to move the artwork around where you can't see it on camera, but Joey is thrilled. I'm thrilled. I think she did a fantastic job. I might have her make some smaller paintings, maybe some of the green sleeve stack, like 11 by 18, smaller canvases, but holy cow, this is so cool. I can't stand it. I feel like a kid in a candy store on Christmas Day. This is just really, really well done, and I think it really looks good here in the office. Yep, Little Midwest loves the painting too. That's not the response I got from Mrs. Midwest though. So that's the video. It's a little unusual. It's not a what sold on eBay video. It's not a sourcing video. If you're new to the channel, typically I tell you what I sold on eBay, what I paid for it, what it sold for, how it shipped. Regardless of the platform, Macari, Etsy, whatever, I show you those things. I also do sourcing videos when I go out into the wild and go to an estate sale or a flea market. I have those kinds of videos and how-to videos, which are linked down below. How to ship, how to source, how to list, how to research. This is a different video. This is a 1,000 subscriber shout out. Thank you to everybody that helped me. And then on the same day, I commissioned this painting and it was done on the same day. So I think it just looks super cool. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit that bell icon. That really helps me out a lot. And the next video will be a what sold video, and it will feature Joey, and now it's going to feature Enoch. So thanks for watching, guys.